Hey guys, and welcome to part 2. In this video we're gonna finish it off where I left off, and our goal remains to have a player displayed on the screen and move around with your controllers. So with all that said, let's code this. Alright, so right here a chord size. So here's our chord, and let's do the do draw method over here. So let's load A with the with our player height -1. We're going to use our illegal opcode, decrement and compare with our player 0 draw. There it is. And branch where carry is set to our next label over here that I need to create. So let's call it well, the actual name is do draw, so let's just call it that. Because if you're gonna go to Google, you're gonna have, if you do do draw, you're gonna find it over there. So do draw player 0, graphics player 0 at least. Go over there, but we're not done over here. Gonna load A with 0, and then we just do the skip byte code, skip to C. So we have that part set up, and then we're gonna load our pointer if it's not skipped, like it's over here, with our player P0 pointer for P0 pointer like that, and then we're gonna put our Y indexing over here, and then you're gonna start your WSync, and that's most of the part done. And then we're gonna store that your graphics, well, not 0, not O, I had to type O over here. So what you do after you store that, maybe we can put our playfield. Playfield. If you want to do this 2-line kernel over here, well, during this 2-line kernel. So we got that. So I'm just gonna comment this part over here. And with all that said, now we're just gonna can just copy and paste. So we're just gonna do the same thing, but this time it's to play, instead of player 0, it's gonna be player 1. So let's do this thing all over again. Load A with player height -1. The exact same thing. Then you do CP player 1 draw. Branch with carry set to do just copy and paste. To draw player 1. Copy this. Exact same thing. Load of 0. Just keep code. Choose C. Okay, so we're right over here. And here we're gonna load the pointer for player 1. P1 pointer. The Y. Then we're gonna should I just copy? Yeah, just do this over here, and then we're gonna store that to our graphics player 1. All that set. Then we're gonna should do playfield as well. Add playfield just to remind it later. Then decrement Y and branch Y is not equal to 0 to chord. So let me run oh, right over here, and right increment player 0 y, same thing, 1 and y. Oh, they're at the same on the same x axis. You can see it's doing this thing. I think it's flipping because I have too much W syncs. I have one too many. I'm gonna check this out. Alright guys, apparently I forgot to explain what happened over there. And simply because it had too many W syncs on your loop, simply because we're using the 2-line kernel and we had the value 192. But if you keep that half of 192, which is right over here, 96, your screen should be fine. Sometimes there are some patterns that happens and you get used to it, and that flickering different color screen generally means there's too much W syncs, or there's too much lines in your code. So just something to keep in mind of. And with that, let's just continue with the rest of the video. Alright, so now let's finish it off by doing the input over here. So let's we should have been doing some kind of timer over here, but let's just keep it like this over here. I'm gonna call it input controllers. Only gonna do for player 0. I don't know, probably player 2. 1 and 2, 0 and 1. So I have here up my joysticks, my bits, in case I need to know. So let's put some masking over here. 2, 3, 4. And you're gonna bit switch A. And then we're gonna branch equals 0. Which one's the most over here? Right. So right player 0. Copy this over here. And here I want to say increment player 0 x. Copy and paste some over here. So now it's 0 1. I think it's left player 0. Left player 0, and here we're gonna decrement player, whoops, over here. So the next one is up and down. Which one is up? So 5 is 0 1. This is down player 0. Down player 0, and here we are decrementing y, and then 0 1, and this is up player 0. Copy this. Nope. Up player 0, and we need a exit, so exit input. Oh, actually I don't know whether come over here. Let me remove this. and jump to exit input. Let me copy and paste. I'm just gonna put player 0 for this video. I'm gonna start off the next video with player 1. Because it's pretty fast, and it's gonna be exit input player 0 or so forth. Or just skip to player 2. In this case over here, just skip player 2. Let's just try this out first, and then we try. Actually, let's just put player 1 as well. But for now, let's come over here. So let me go. Okay. Oops. Okay, see a problem over here. So that should be increment. Okay, now it's working. And then now let's fill that set over here. Let's 835. Here we're gonna load A with player 0x, load X with 0, jump to subroutine, pause object, position object, and here we're gonna do W sync over here, and I'm gonna strobe the H move. No, let me fix stuff over here. Let me actually copy one more time over here. Set this to 1. Hold this for 0. Copy one over here. Put this over here. Let me see what I got now. Okay. Where am I? So right now it's being incremented everywhere. Right player 0, X, Y, Y. Oh. Okay, now I get it. Let me put over here if nothing's pressed. Oh, there it is. I'm moving up and down. Of course, this is a reverse over here. I can always move this. Oh, you stay. Pointer stay. YY. Let me check now. So now I have both of them walking together. But here's pretty much it. Let me put this back over here, and let's just copy this and put a player. So let's comment over here. Player 0 input. Let's copy this and do player 1. We're gonna do P1 input. Copy this. This is on exit, so that's perfect. Where is it? So this is gonna jump to player 1. Set of exit. Okay. And now we're changing this values over here. 2, 3, 4. I think should be equivalent to the same. Okay. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and then our registers over here 1 1 1 and so forth. 0 1. Alright, let me save this, assemble. Oh, it keeps going right over here. Did I mess up the things over here? Let's go check. Open over here. Right is D3. Left, okay. Oh, let me see. 1 2 3. Okay, had to mess it up. Okay. Up and down still the same. Actually, let me delete you. Delete you. Assemble. Not you. Where's tab? Input settings. Where's player 1? Y H G J. So okay, so let me just move this one over here. So Y. Oh, why not I? So Y is working. Let me. H not. K. Okay, so G is working. So, oh, J is working. So the only thing that's not working is the H. Is it H? Let me come over here. Which one is down? H. H is not working. So exit menu. So let me see what's going on over here. Decrement Y1. Which one is down? Down is D1 over here. Oh, it's because this is the same thing over here. Okay, had the masking wrong over here. So Y H J. Okay, that's working. And here's the other one. So here we have two objects moving in the screen. Alright, sorry for the quick edit, but let me just fix it, some things up over here before we finish this video. First of all, I just want to remove this wsync, just because our positional object over here, right over here, already has one. So we have a lot of an extra amount of it. So to fix it up, just set for 32. Now you're even at 37. And we actually just only need our wait and sync for H move over here, and one right after our pre-data that we need over here. And this is our display picture, so you have all that set up, so that's good. And if I were to now to assemble, you'll see it's a little bit bigger, the bottom part, but as you notice over here, I can never really align this perfectly. There's always gonna be one step. There's one scan line below, and that's because you have to set up your your video delay. So let's do that really fast. Of course, it can be a little more video delay. Player 1. Let's just set this up for now. Of course, it can be a little more complex, but just leave this at now. So now, oh, now as you can see, it's aligned perfect. So that's pretty much it for this video, and I'm gonna probably clean up some things over here, and I'm gonna save it and start on a GitHub or GitLab account, like I said before. And with that, that's pretty much it. The next video, I'll probably just either draw some actual sprites and maybe go through some animations. But that's the end of the video, and thanks for watching. See you guys then.